This is Prizm NFL 12995. It's a random team break. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Top is Texans. Bottom is Broncos. That is 5 times. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots for this one. Save it and go. All right, good luck. One, 2, 9, 9, 5. Here we go. Hello, B Will. Silver, Xavier Howard. Miles Garrett for the Browns, number 2, 175. Alec Pierce, Andrew Booth. Silver rookie, Sam Howell. Nice one there for Washington. And an orange, Deebo Samuel to 245? 249. Why would I think 5? Kyer Alarm and Sky Moore. Nice way to start with the Sam Howell silver. Well, not start, but there's been a lot of Sam Howell, a lot of Commanders so far. Silver, all out, Jalen Hurts. And orange, Christian Watson for the Packers, number to 249, Ajabo and Jerome Ford. I guess I'll drop the news now for anyone tuned in. Tomorrow's squads has a Prizm in it. Silver, Winfield Jr. Man, what is going on? He's everywhere. Michael Vick, silver. He must have needed to do some signings, old Vic. For the Atlanta Falcons, who got him? $16, Cecilia Trent. Full of Michael Vick, to be honest. Deebo Samuel, number 2, 109. Snoop Conner, Malik Willis. Really good. First box had like 5 cards or so numbered under 50. Brilliance, A-Rod. Finally someone else who isn't Herbert. Brandon Cooks, purple cracked ice to 225. Brandon Cooks to 225. Brandon Cooks to 225. Jeremy Ruckett, James Cook. Rookie emergent, Jahan Dotson. Purple, Rich Gannon for the Raiders, number to 125. Matt Corral, Kate Otten. Oh, the hype, I think they call this, or something like party or something. Carson Strong for the Eagles, number 2, 175. Carl Hamilton to Kobe Dean. Silver, Nick Chubb. Purple for the Buccaneers. Purple People Eater to 49, Kate Otten. There's a print line on there. TDP, Devonta Wyatt. Silver Fireworks, Tyreek Hill. Orange, Bateman for the Raiders, number to 249. Phillips, Wandale Robinson. Prison Break, Silver, Breece Hall, rookie. Red Wave for the Cardinals, Zach Ertz, number to 149. Cade York, Jalen Naylor. Here comes another camo. Prison Break, Jamar Chase and Darius Slay Jr. for the Eagles. Numbered 7 of 15. Another 15. Trent McDuffie, George Pickens. Geez, this Prizm is very loaded. And this will be to 60, so another shorter print. Fireworks Mahomes and a Jaquan Brisker for the Bears. Orange Wave, number 26 of 60. Mechie Walker. That is that for Prizm NFL 12995.